Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, what I wanted to do is I wanted to show y'all how to make a Lego infinity cube kind of fidget toy. And that's this thing that I'm currently holding in my hand playing with right now. And what it is it's just something that you can continually fold and play with, and it's just basically it's a fidget toy. And this just happens to be a fidget toy made out of Legos. Now, you're going to need a couple of different parts to do this, and I have a complete parts list in the description if you want to check it out. And there's also a link to Bricklink for finding these specific parts if you don't happen to have them laying around. I can tell you that I did not, because I wanted specific colors for these, and so I had to order some of the stuff from Bricklink. And you can get them in a lot of different colors. Like you can do like black and white and black. You can do monochromatically black or white. You can do tan, yellow, a dark blue, all black, and then kind of an assortment of colors. And what I'm going to do here, what I have here is I'm going to basically make a super ugly one like this one right here. So it uses a bunch of different pieces of all the different colors so you can kind of tell what's going on. Now, when you're making these, what you're going to need is I can't get the bag open. What you're going to need is you need 24 1x2 plates. That's this one. You need 8 of the inverted 1x1x2 brackets. Then you need 8 of these hinge assemblies. You need 8 2x2 tiles and 8 1x1 tiles. I'm sorry, 1x2 tiles. Now you can substitute, like if you don't have 2x2 tiles, like for this one, let me see if I can find where it happens. Like for this one, if you look right here, I used 2x2 tiles for pretty much the whole top part. I'm sorry, not 2x2, 1x2 tiles, because I just couldn't find I know I had some 2x2 black tiles, but I just couldn't find them. So anyway, in order to build one of these, what you're going to do is there's really just a couple of steps. And the first step is what you're going to want to do is you're going to take 2 of your 1x2 tiles and put them on the 1x1x2 inverted brackets, and just basically on all of them you're going to put a stack of 2, like so. Oops. You're going to put a stack of 2, like so, for all of these. And then once you do that, you're going to do it for all of them. Yeah. So once you get those done, and you have 8 of them, what you're going to do is you're going to basically split them up into 2 sections. And you're going to make 2 different sides of things. 2 pairs of these things. Like you're going to make the 2 different sides. You're going to make this side and this side. And let me show you how you do that. Okay. So what you do first of all is you position these 2 things like this. And what you're going to do is you're going to attach one of your hinges here and here. And you're going to do this for this one. And you'll do another exact duplicate of that one right here, like so. Oh, I lined it up wrong. Like so. And then you're going to do like a mirror of this on this side. So so you're going to turn it like this, and it'll be the mirror image of that one. And so on this side, you'll have the mirror image here and here, like so. And this one will be the exact same thing as that one, like that, like so. And so what you have is you're going to have 2 mirror images like that. And then the other thing we're going to do is we're going to pop one of our 1x2s on each of these to kind of flatten that out, like so. And here, and here. Alright, so you're now looking at this, where you have the two different sides. Now, once we have these set up like this, the next step is to apply the hinge assemblies, like so, here, and to this one, here, like so. And with those hinge assemblies done, we can also pop on a couple of 1x2 tiles, here, and here, and then on the other side as well, like so. And so you should have something that looks like this, and looks like this. So what you want to do is you want to make sure you don't interfere with the movement of any of these pieces. So what you want to do is you put a 2x2 there, and a 2x2 here, and again, it won't interfere with any of your hinges. It doesn't interfere with any of the hinges here, and the same thing right here. And you can actually, if you want to just get it out of the way, pop the last two 1x2 tiles on as well, and this will take care of the top part. And the last thing we got to do after we finalize taking care of these is we got to handle the connections on the sides. The final connection is a little bit weird. You kind of gotta think about it a little bit. So what you want to do is situate it so the flat ends are facing each other like this, and the hinges, the bumps of the hinges are facing up, and then flip the whole thing over like this. And then what you want to do is on each of the ends, you want to put a hinge so it's facing this way. So it's facing upward, like so. And that takes care of that. And then our last couple of 1x2s are going to go right here and right here. And I think I lost a 1x2 somewhere. Huh. Alright, well, I'm going to steal a 1x2 from a bag. I'm going to steal one of these from this bag of white ones. So y'all are going to have to forgive me for apparently miscounting my 1x2s. Alright, so I'm stealing a white one out of here. So, anyway. You put the 1x2s here, and then you're going to use your last 4 2x2s. And just, whenever you put these on, make sure you aren't interfering with any of the hinge motions. So you're going to put them on the ends, like here and here, like so. And once you do that, you're done. And you have your infinity cube with the miscolored 1x2. And now, one of the things that you should be aware of when you're playing with these is the hinges are the weak spots. So you may end up having to replace them if you break some of these hinges. I have yet to break a hinge, but they kind of wear out. So anyway, if you have any questions or suggestions about this, please let me know in the comments. And all the parts for this are also listed in the description. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope you all have an excellent day.